Raleigh Exec, Skyhawk 972 Whiskey Whiskey downwind, runway 3, Raleigh Exec.
Raleigh Exec traffic down to star 226 Papa Alpha is left base, runway 3, full stop, Raleigh Exec. Put on final. Raleigh Exec traffic down to star 226 Papa Alpha is base to final, runway 3, full stop.
500.
Raleigh Exec, Challenger 800 Bravo Delta is turning 8 mile final, runway 3, Raleigh Executive.
Minimums. Minimums.
Raleigh Exec, Skyhawk 972 Whiskey Whiskey base, runway 3, Raleigh Exec.
A little bumpy today.
Now starting to warm up a little bit.
Yeah. Hate that.
Raleigh Executive, Challenger 800 Bravo Delta 5 mile final, runway 3, Raleigh Executive.
Raleigh Exec, Skyhawk 972 Whiskey Whiskey final, runway 3, Raleigh Exec.
Not going to win any short field awards on this thing, but, you know. Raleigh Exec traffic, 226 Papa Alpha is cleared Alpha 3, taxiing back to the T hangars, Raleigh Exec. All right.